An Anne Arundel County police officer caught on camera kneeling on the upper body of a young black suspect.
And as the officer fights to keep his job, the community wants more information about what happened that day.
WJZ is live at 5 o'clock. Rachel Carden explains how local leaders are using this case to make police proceedings more transparent. Rachel.
Rick, Nicole, this incident in question happened back in 2019, but today that officer was supposed to have his trial board hearing. Now, it was postponed, but the community says when it does happen, they want a live stream of the event. They say many have lost faith in the police department. A video captured in February of 2019 shows an Odenton man on the ground detained by Anne Arundel County police officers. The young black man under the knee of the officer is Daniel Gerals, who later sued the police department and asked the officer, Daniel Reynolds, be terminated. Detective Reynolds, in hopes of keeping his job, was scheduled to have a trial board hearing Wednesday morning. A limited number of people were allowed to attend, but local activists tell WJZ they want the hearing open to the public and live streamed.
The public has a right to know what restraint was used and how it impacted the suspect's ability to breathe.
We have been demanding for transparency for years. Leaders have been demanding for transparency before I was born. We demand for it now.
Leaders from the NAACP, United Black Clergy, Caucus of African American Leaders, and Maryland State Delegate Shanika Henson say what happened in 2019 was too similar to what happened to George Floyd 15 months later. Fortunately, Gerals was not seriously hurt, but the community wants change and restored trust in the police department.
Everyone is presumed innocent until they are proven guilty. That no one person has the power and the ability to be the judge, the jury, and the executioner.
According to the department, Gerals was initially stopped for a traffic violation and later charged with resisting arrest. Once a complaint was filed, all charges against Gerals were dropped. The next step is Detective Reynolds' hearing, which has been postponed.
We expect it to be open. We expect it to be transparent.
Now, we know the hearing was postponed, but we don't have a new date just yet. We also know that Detective Reynolds was suspended in 2020. We're live at the Anne Arundel County Police Department. I'm Rachel Carden for WJZ.